everybody. I am Saint Philomena, the patron saint of babies, youth, and the impossible. I was a young princess who gave my heart to Jesus and stayed faithful even when I suffered for my love for Him. Many miracles happened through my prayers, showing God's great power. My feast day is August 11, a day to remember my courage and trust to God. We pray to her when we need courage, purity, hope, or help in what seems impossible. We come to her when we want to grow in faith, stay strong in trials, or ask God's grace through her intercession. Saint Philomena reminds us that even when the young can be brave and holy for Jesus. Thank you.